Hello, and welcome to another of Mrs. Kiely's art tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be drawing a clear glass of water. Now, a lot of students see this as a very tough life drawing assignment, but the hardest part in this piece is getting that first gesture drawing, that first sketch down. And it's tough because it involves a stretched circle, which we call ellipses. And if you just hold your pencil lightly, hold it towards the end, and gently keep going over your ellipse you're drawing a whole bunch of times, flip your drawing upside down, look at it upside down, and you'll see if the ellipse is wonky or not. Look at the ellipse in comparison to the rim of the glass and to the top edge of the water, and then perhaps there's an ellipse down at the bottom of the glass. Compare those, evaluate them. Are they similar? Are they different? How are they similar? How are they different? If you get that initial sketch down pat, then you're ready to tackle the rest of the drawing. Now, if you've been going through the life drawings that I've assigned in class or following them on this YouTube channel, if you've been going through them sequentially, you'll have already developed a keen eye for the grayscale, and you should have a better sense of value. So my tip for drawing this clear glass of water is to stop trying to label it. Stop trying to label glass. Stop trying to label water in your head, and just analytically look at it in small sections. Break it down. Simplify it. Ask yourself, is this dark? Is this light? Where is it in comparison to the grayscale? And try to mimic that with your pencil. Don't overthink things. Just keep the labels out of your head and draw what you see in front of you. Don't try to figure out, oh, there's a bubble here, or there's a reflection of the lamp in this shadow here. Don't try to think that way. Take those labels out of your brain. Stop using the literate part of your brain and just stick to the visual part. And it should be easier that way if you stop trying to overthink it. I know this is tough for beginning artists to do, to stop labeling things that they see. It's natural. But if you can get out of that habit and just, when you're trying to draw something, look at the lines that are in front of you, look at the shapes that are in front of you, and just reproduce those with your pencil, you'll be able to have an accurate piece. Look at how everything is in relation to everything around it, and compare what one gray looks like compared to another area of gray. Where's the darkest part of the piece? Where's the lightest part? And then if you can figure out those extremes in your drawing, where's the darkest, where's the lightest, then you can start figuring out, well, where's the next darkest, where's the next lightest, and slowly, methodically work your way from one end of the grayscale to the other. Just looking at the lines and shapes. Like when I'm drawing down here at the bottom of the glass, I'm not saying bottom of the glass in my head at all. I'm looking at a circular line or a circular shape and a light oval here or a light oval there. Same thing for the shadow. I know that there was some crazy reflected light coming through on the shadow, and it's important to get all that. But what you're really trying to do is draw what you see, and if you just stop labeling everything in your head, you'll be able to have a more accurate piece by just simplifying things. Take those words away of glass and water. They sometimes just hinder artists, especially young ones. And then with this piece, the rubbing stick really did help get that smoother appearance of water and glass. If you don't have a smudging stick at home, you could always try a Q-tip. That's not a bad artist hack. And that malleable eraser that I keep using, if you don't have a kneaded eraser or malleable eraser, you can always use some sticky tack because that squishes into fine points. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave your questions, comments, or compliments in the box below. Please click on like and share if you found this video at all helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There'll be more videos coming. Thanks for watching.